Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fill up Cambodia eArrival form. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. All right, guys, so let's proceed. So guys, lot of countries are nowadays allowing arrival and even departure information to be submitted online. So it's good that we have this it for Cambodia also. You can submit it online on the website and you can also do it using the apps. You can see the app links here. So apps I'll show you on a different day, but for uh, website, we are going to walk through this. So this needs to be submitted within 7 days before arrival. So keep in your mind about this period. Okay. So now I'm on the official Cambodia arrival website. Click on submit e-arrival. So you can sign in without an account. You can with Gmail or you can scan this QR code and do. So I'm doing without account. You can do these methods too. So your passport information you need to enter first. This is pretty simple. And yes, be very careful. When you have access to your passport, you know this better than me. I'm just putting sample. Okay. And make sure this information matches your passport. Okay. Now, in the previous page, let me see if I can go back and show. Yeah, if there are more people going in, you can click on. Oh no, sir, this is at the end. Fine. Okay, correct. Occupation. Wow. Copter contact information. Okay, see 7 days information they have given whenever you are having and when you will depart. Port of entry, travel purpose, flight number, where let's say you're going to hotel, that number, last country port of embarkation before entering Cambodia, I said Canada. Next country port of deembarkation after Cambodia. You can do you can select same also if you want. Click on next. Health information. Have you been vaccinated against yellow fever? If do you currently have fever, cough, throat? Have you visited Middle East, Latin America? Goods not to declare personal effects and duty-free allowance. Okay. Goods to declare. Are you carrying any foreign currency or instrument worth US 10,000 equivalent? Have goods to declare. Now be very careful about this. Understand the limits because there could be consequences if you do anything wrong. Now here you need to submit declaration. Okay. Of course, I'm not gonna do. And after this is gonna be submitted. Okay. So that's how it works, guys. Of course, I'm not gonna do that because this is sample, but you got an idea how to do this. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.